Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a LinkedIn group. Whether you're building a community around your industry, connecting professionals with shared interests, or establishing a space for meaningful discussions, creating your own LinkedIn group gives you the power to bring people together and position yourself as a thought leader in your field. First, open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you're using an account that's set up professionally, as this will be associated with the group you're about to create. After logging in, direct your attention to the left side of your LinkedIn homepage. Here you'll see a navigation menu with various options, and among them you'll find Groups. Click on it to access the Groups section. This area shows you all the groups you're currently a member of and provides options to discover or create new ones. Now at the top of the Groups page, you'll notice a button that says Create Group. Click on this button to begin the process of setting up your new LinkedIn group. This action will take you to the group creation page where you'll configure all the essential details. The first thing you'll want to do is add visual identity to your group. You have the option to upload a group image and a header image. The group image acts as a profile picture for your group and appears whenever your group is mentioned or searched for, while the header image gives your group page a professional look. Choose images that represent your group's purpose and make it visually appealing to potential members. Next, you'll need to input a group name. This is crucial because it's the first thing people will see when they come across your group. Make it clear, descriptive, and relevant to what your group is about. Right below that, you'll find a space for the group description. Here you should explain what your group is for, who it's designed to help, and what kind of discussions or content members can expect. A well-written description helps attract the right audience. Now scroll down and click on Add Industry. This step allows you to categorize your group so it appears in relevant searches. Select the industry that best matches your group's focus. This makes it easier for LinkedIn users in that field to discover your community. Following that, input a location for your group. Even if your group is global, specifying a location helps with searchability and lets potential members know the geographic focus if there is one. You'll also need to establish rules for your group. These rules set the tone for how members should interact, what content is allowed, and what behavior is expected. Clear rules help maintain a positive and productive environment. Next, you'll see the group type option. Here you can choose whether your group will be public or private. A public group allows anyone to see the posts and discussions, while a private group restricts visibility to members only. Consider what level of openness suits your community best. You'll also notice two checkboxes below the group type. One says allow members to invite their connections, which can help your group grow organically as members bring in people they know. The other option is require new posts to be reviewed by admins. Enabling this gives you control over what gets published in the group, which is helpful for maintaining quality and preventing spam. Once you've filled in all the details and made your selections, click the Create button. LinkedIn will process your request and your group will be live. You're now the admin of your own LinkedIn group, ready to start inviting members and fostering discussions. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.